Hello everyone, my name is Beston. What I will show you now is the equipment installation and debugging site of the Beston pyrolysis plant in Azerbaijan. Our common sludge, waste tires, waste rubber, waste plastics, etc. can be pyrolyzed into fuel oil, carbon black, steel wire, etc. in a pyrolysis plant. The recycling price of scrap tires is about $100 per ton, and the fuel oil produced is about $400 per ton. And with the steel wire and carbon black produced, the profit will be even higher.